actually goes to 3.
Key West! Woo!
Good morning.
We've arrived in Key West, Florida.
See, there's the paradise.
Paradise.
You know the little bricks that people in memorandum. This is the Mallory house, right? U.S. Customs house.
Key West.
Hey, watch out for the cocks.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! Hey, fishy, fishy, fishy. Thank you.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, no worries. Sitting here in Key West at the Contour train and the Ghost and Gravestones site, which is on Duval and Front Street. And it's hot.
It's hot.
It's cloudy and still hot.
But it's cool. It's hot, but cool. It's only 9:53 and we're already tired.
Yep, ready to go back in. A lot of walking yesterday, too.
Yeah. Look, it's closed.
Even the world's smallest bar is not open yet. Even the world's smallest isn't open yet.
Wow.
Look at that. I don't see anybody.
No, either.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Uncle Dave at Key West. Okay.
This thing was hooked on here by a piece of fishing string. And I went to...
Alright, everybody take a sip, I'll take a picture.
That bitch is cold. That's colder than the beer in my room.
I think they said they had a sign. I thought I saw a sign at one of these places. So.
You hungry? I'm gonna grab lunch real quick.
Right. It's illegal to touch them down here.
A leg for you,
Yeah.
a wing for
We're out of the room.
All right, we're live.
Joe's got a big crew. Oh, hello. That should be good.
Hey everybody.
Joe, he's off. He's got a big crew with him.
Like local crew or out of town crew?
You know, Joe's show.
Yeah.
They're not starting at like 3:30. They're going to support Putin and whatever he's doing, and then they're coming here. And then Fred has his halfway to St. Patty's Day. Dude, ceiling?
You St. Patty's Day. There's all these different infusions.
Oh,
It's all St.
no, that's like, I cannot.
It's kind of cool.
I cannot do that.
Uncle Dave.
Scott Cam.
I know, right?
It's like membership. It's
How
like
much is your
really
membership to OnlyFans?
If you have to ask, it's
Oh,
Well, I mean, he opened the bathroom door for you, so I'm sure the price is gonna go up.
yeah. I will say that was the best thing ever. He came in there.
I'm not an OnlyFans.
No.
Oh, that's it. We're out of here. Let's go.
All right, Ed.
it's for his feet. I don't know what
They
you're
get
thinking
Key West.
about.
For your
You
feet?
guys have dirty minds.
Oh.
He makes all the vans for his feet, and he has subscribers to it. He has dirty minds.
Yes, big feet.
All right, your mic's on. We're hot. We're
We're
live.
live. Well, not really live, but.
Huh?
I said we're live. Well, not really live, but.
We got the birdies. We got the pigeons.
I would not want to be these guys driving down here in
No.
an 18-wheeler. Truck just beeped.
Oh. How'd you enjoy Key West?
Fun as always. I like it.
You ready?
Let's go.
Pokey? You got it? All right. Ed?
Those are some of the best shots I've ever had.
They're good.
Ooh, Lord have mercy. I still feel
You
it.
drank his, right? Yeah. Come on, Pokey.
Bone chicka wow wow. They fade so bad.
Shirley Siren Saloon.
Yeah, another strip club.
Oh.
So you can't pee for free.
Oh, Chris, look at these little shot glasses.
Yeah, that's cute.
We got a cross here.
Yep.
Worst bonus ever.
Switch out.
We're going Scott Cave. We're going with Scott Cave. Scott Cave over here.
Oh, look at Dave. Dave's doing the video. What's up, Dave?
Scott Cave.
Now we're looking around. We're back. We're back. Oh, there we are. Hey, it's us. How you guys doing tonight?
I don't have one of them highfalutin cameras. I can't turn mine around like
No,
that.
you gotta do it. No, just hit that. Bam. Flip. Oh, look. I can't
but
get
I'm
it. Look.
but I'm not videoing it. Now I'm videoing.
So hit the button. Hit play, there you go. Bam, flip. Flip it. Oh, you gotta move your finger. Your finger's there.
My whole hand.
There you go.
My whole hand. Wow. Every picture kind of a thing.
We're recording video.
Who you looking at? Who you looking at? There we go.
Alright, so Dave and I are walking around. Oh, look. It just popped up on the screen. Where are you? So we're actually walking around the casino looking for Liz, and let's see if we can. Anybody see Liz?
I don't see Liz.
I don't see Liz. All right, we're gonna go find Liz. So we're gonna be back, and we'll see if we can find Liz. She just texted me, "Where are you?" So I gotta text her back.
I think we're in trouble.
Nah, I think we got in trouble. I agree.
All right, yeah.
All right, so we found Liz. You saw in the previous video, we were hunting for her, and we found her. So Dave, what are you doing? Dave,
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure stuff out.
Oh, Dave's video.
I'm making a video
Dave's
of the video.
Sorry, good.
I'm just a guy playing another guy.
We're just recording, having
Wants
fun
to be
in the
somebody
casino.
else.
Look
Look at that. Look at that screen. Does that not look nice? Look at that. My goodness.
We're just filming stuff. Let's see who's gonna win here. Anybody winning? Nothing. Nothing. Oh, yeah, I'm on 17. All right, we're gonna flip back to us now. Liz was where were you?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Liz was in the bathroom. Dave is. Wait, we got you the thingy.
You got me to what?
The thingy.
Oh, I took it off to go through the metal detector and I didn't put it back on.
Where's the reader list?
It's in my room.
Where did he put his reader rest?
In the room.
We're gonna go Scott in this one. But then we go here. Here, it's Dave.
Ah!
Oh, there's me. Wait, dude. Oh, straight eyeballs. Nice.
All day. All day.
Yeah, I know. Where the hell?
And I'm going
The Lido, I want to watch the 80s party.
Okay.
80s party.
See my disappointment.
Ma'am,
80s party.
let's go.
80s party.
Came ready. Want us to cancel till tomorrow?
Cancel